to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a sketch with me, but I'm not going to do it in my sketchbook. Instead, I'm going to be sketching on construction paper. Yes, I'm going to be sketching on construction paper, and I'm going to attempt to do a very detailed piece. So I have a couple colors to choose from. I'm probably going to go with the red one, to be honest. But yeah, I think that's the one I'm probably going to go with. But I'm going to be doing a detailed portrait on this paper using the Prismacolor Premier Color pencils, which I have right here. I actually haven't used these in a while. Well, I haven't used them in a while, meaning that I haven't done a detailed piece with these in a while. I hope you all will enjoy this video. I'm pretty nervous about how the piece is going to turn out, but I'm hopeful. So let's get started. Hello, it has been 3 days. My voice is finally back to normal. I don't think it sounded that raspy when I was doing the voiceover, but immediately afterwards I was just raspy. It was terrible. But as a result of that and me just not feeling too well for the past few days, the portraits are not finished. Well, this one is finished. I finished this one 3 days ago, but this one, I think I started it the day after I did the voiceover, so that was 2 days ago.
Stop it. Get some help.
I didn't get too far and is currently still in the ugly phase, as Tammy would say. I'm hoping to at least make some more progress today or possibly finish it. I'm trying to get better about not doing too much in one day, but sometimes I just get in the zone and I want to finish it at once. So we'll see what happens. I'm finally finished with the portraits. What? This has definitely taken me several days to do, but I'm just so happy that I was able to finish. The only thing that I don't really like about either portrait is that the hair is just not really, I don't know, like I like it but I don't like it because I didn't like how I was adding the shadows or anything to it. So that's definitely something I want to work on, but overall I really love how they turned out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know if I should do more colored pencil art. I'm curious. But anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.